When I initially came here, I had a really bad dental issue. They took the opportunity to sit down with my loved ones, and also too, the amount of attentiveness that I've gotten from this practice has been phenomenal, and it has changed my life.
My name is Dr. Hans Sperling. I am a second-generation dentist. I have been practicing dentistry for the last 25 years in Hollywood, Florida, and I absolutely love it. Nowadays, with the advances in technology, we have the ability to restore the person's natural teeth with dental implants. They act and feel like your own teeth. Imagine if you're having to take out your teeth to eat. You'd be embarrassed to eat in front of people. That is one of the things that dramatically helps us change people's lives, restoring their ability to smile, chew, and function with confidence.
I'm able to smile in front of people. Like, one of the things that I do is sometimes I do have to give pretty much reporting to management, things of that nature. And now I actually have the confidence to do that now. Give them my best interpretation of who I am.
Recently, we had a 39-year-old patient that had lost all his teeth. We're one of the very few offices in the country that has the ability to provide the patient the same day with a titanium reinforced custom-made bar over the implant. And he left the office with a full set of permanent teeth the same day. They feel younger, they start to eat healthier because now they can actually chew their vegetables.
You come and you sure that work going to be done, and it's happened. So I'm very happy. I have a great smile, as you can see, and thank you very much, Dr. Sperling.
This smile is mostly Dr. Sperling now. It isn't what I started life with.
It's always so emotional. They cry, they're so happy, they cannot believe that it's them. It's amazing. You can see how they immediately brighten up, and you can see those changes, and to be a witness of that is something very special. Our motto at Dental Care Center of Hollywood is we care for people, not just teeth. We can't wait to welcome you into the office, meet you in person, and help you go through this life-changing transformation.